What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Aquatica Orlando, and today is media day for Riptide Race. We are here on opening day, but of course, we're back again for media day. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go.
Adhere to physical distance markings throughout the queue. Thank you, and enjoy your day at Aquatica. To Riptide Race. On Riptide Race, you start in.
Alrighty guys, it is interview time and we have Brad here. Brad, thank you so much for inviting us out. And of course we have a brand new water slide right behind you, Riptide Race. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, Dan, first and foremost, thanks for coming out. We really appreciate it. Riptide Race, as you know, is the world's tallest dueling racer slide and the first of its kind here in Florida. The tower itself is about 70 feet tall, so riders start at the top of the park, get a fantastic view of the park, and race side by side down to the finish. Okay,
and what does this slide mean for Aquatica? I mean, you already have an impressive lineup. Why this one?
So this slide makes it the 50th slide at Aquatica. We've got 50 slides. And Aquatica has been known for its family experience. We have a diverse portfolio of water slides in the park, good for every family member. So with this ride, a 42 height requirement allows the smaller riders to ride with their parents or family and friends. So the whole family can enjoy this particular ride.
Awesome, and of course this slide has earned many accolades as far as tallest, fastest, or what do we got here going with Riptide Race?
So yeah, like we said, it's the tallest, it's the first of its kind in Florida. The unique part about this ride is it's definitely a repeatable ride experience. So you can ride single, it's a little bit slower, milder of an experience, or if you do a double rider, it's a little bit faster, you're gonna hit those corners a little bit harder, and end up at the finish line. You also can race your friends back and forth, and I know, Dan, you've experienced it. You can see your friends inside the fiberglass in 3 different sections where you can kind of yell at each other, encourage each other, tell your buddy to speed up as you finish out the ride experience.
And it's a very fantastic ride experience, and it does change throughout. Like when I was doing a single, it was enjoyable, but once I got the weight on there underneath that 400-pound limit, we were flying through that course. It was a lot of fun. Of course, you have a new bar opening up and whatnot. Can you tell me a little about that?
Yeah, so K-Ray's Bar, which is right at the base of Riptide Race, we opened up the patio. We've got a bar that actually overlooks our fast river, Roas Rapids. You can get a spicy margarita there, or your classic strawberry daiquiri, pina colada. Mix them together and make an Orlando Vice. Just a nice place to come and chill and to refresh and get out of the sun. And then we've also got Papa's Cantina that is open. It's over by our beach area, but you can purchase, you can get empanadas there, also hot wings or refreshments.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Brad, for speaking with us, and we're excited to try Riptide Race again.
All right, thanks for coming out.
And our next interview, we have somebody that is very technical about the slide, Connor. Connor, and you have designed some of this stuff. Tell me about Riptide Race.
So Riptide Race is our newest attraction here at Aquatica Orlando. We're so excited to bring this experience to our guests. It's a great, thrilling attraction that's fun for all ages. We consider this a family thrill attraction. 42-inch rider height really lets everyone from mom, dad, brother, sister, your younger riders all get to come out and experience this great ride together.
Now, of course, you have a ton of slides. I was talking with Brad. This is number 50. How did you fit this in here? There's no space.
Right, and you're right. It is a very small footprint. And if you would have walked with us several years ago when we first said, what do we want next after Kari Kari Curl? This would not have been a location that we probably would have said, yeah, we can fit something there. But really, we dug in deep with our design and engineering teams, with our great ride and construction partners on this, and we really figured out a way to shoehorn this ride into a space that's really tight. And with that, instead of a long spread out slide, what we did is we said, well, let's go upward. And that's what we did. It's 68 feet tall. It's the tallest dueling racer in the world, and it's the first of its kind in Florida.
And not just that, this is a tall slide complex tower for the entire park. Second tallest, correct?
Absolutely. Ehu's is the only slide here. Ehu's Breakaway Falls is the only slide here that's taller than Riptide Race. 116 stairs to the top of the tower, 68 feet tall.
Now I gotta say, one of the most exciting elements was passing the people as I was going through the slide and whatnot, and being like, you're gonna lose and whatnot. I mean, obviously you're looking for new and exciting things to do with water slides. How did that come about? I mean,
absolutely, and you know what? That's actually one of my favorite parts of this slide. A lot of times on slide towers, while you're waiting in line, as you go up the tower, it's not a super thrilling experience. You know, it's stairs. But with this one, we really said we want to make it a great experience, not only for those on the ride, but also off the ride. And so by intertwining this slide throughout the stair tower with the open racing sections, it really brings some energy to the queue and the line of people that are waiting to ride. And you're right, they do get to make comments, or they get to see who's winning, or even if you see your friend sliding, you get to tell them who is winning, who is behind, and it brings a new kind of energy that really gets people excited to get to the top and ride the slide for themselves.
I agree with that one. Now, are there any pro tips that you can give some of our viewers? I know if you ride with a heavier weight, is close to 400 pounds, you're going to zip through this thing, but is there anything else that from the pro we can understand and maybe help the ride?
Absolutely. I mean, you know, the best thing you can do is get on and hold on tight as you go down the slide. Like you said, it's a great experience to get to race just a single person versus single person, but let me tell you what, if you grab some more friends and you put 2 people on a raft, the experience only gets that much better.
Yeah.
And it really creates a high thrill, family thrill experience throughout the entire slide.
Well, you guys have been on fire here at Aquatica, and you've got another winner with Riptide Race. Connor, thank you so much for speaking with us, and good luck for the future.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Alrighty guys, so we're here at the bar and we're having a special drink made, the Orlando Vice. As we can see, this gentleman right here serving it up nice and cool, perfectly mixed. And of course we have a candy straw, awesome stuff, but lots of selections here. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Aquatica Orlando for Media Day for Riptide Race. I had a chance to interview some of the head honchos behind the project, take a ride on it, and I truly enjoy this slide. If you get a chance, come out and try it. We're going to have more updates, so if you love what we do, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Midway Mayhem. We'll see you out on the Midway. Bye, guys.